China's green transition has brought new business opportunities for foreign companies. Among them is French multinational Schneider Electric, specializing in energy management and automation. The company has aligned part of its development plan with China's carbon peaking and neutrality goals.
在技术创新方面，我们聚焦低碳工业和低碳能源，带来了软硬件一体化的各项创新。在运营层方面，我们把可持续融入业务，打造端到端绿色供应链和灯塔工厂。在商业模式上，我们也带来了碳中和咨询服务和绿色智能制造咨询，助力中国企业达到双碳目标。施耐德电器的中国研发成果、新产品也不断推广到全球。